Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another plan with Vivi. This video we are going to be filming the July monthly spread in my Erin Condren Lifeplanner. But first, let me show you what I do with the pages before. And what I do is I use this Erin Condren sticker book. It's the monthly collection edition 4. This is the one that came out with the 2019 edition of the Life Planner. And what I do is I kind of decorate with the stickers here, and I leave some space so I can actually go back and actually write a memory plan in this. Then I use the deco stickers on the opposite page. I leave some space to print out photos with my HP Sprocket and kind of put in there like my July memories and photographs is what I do on that page. But we are going to decorate and plan the month of July. So with that being said, let me show you the kit I'm going to be using. So this month's kit is going to be a kit from the Planner Shack, and it is the July kit, and I really like it. It's very 4th of July-ish, which is always what brings to mind when I think of July. It's always red, white, and blue, so I tend to like my monthly spread to be like that. And this one kind of incorporated flowers and stars, and I really like it. And as you can see here, I don't know if this is showing very well, but I took this, where is it? The silver sparkle pop pen, and what I did is on all of the pieces in this kit on these big boxes here for the banners to go over the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday thing, the ones that showed where it had the faux silver glitter, I went ahead and I went over it with the sparkle pop pen to actually make it look like glitter. I did the same thing for the fashion girl on this side, as you can see there, and it's really cute, and I'm really excited about using this kit. So with that being said, let's get started planning. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do on this monthly spread is to put down a full box to cover up June 30th. It's also going to be my guideline for putting down the Sunday through Monday top sticker. And I'm just going to lay it down as close as possible to that full box sticker and put it down. And then this sticker may have been from like last year's kit because it goes all the way across, but I still wanted to use it, so I'm kind of gonna do some finagling here and put this full sidebar fashion girl on the side and just kind of put her all the way up to the top like so, and then somehow, someway I am going to lay down this Thursday, Friday, Saturday sticker without covering up the fashion girl there. And so we're going to see how this goes. And then I just use the paper backing to keep that from sticking down onto the fashion girl. And then I just use my scalpel and cut off the excess. Shocked that I got that on like one take. I didn't really have to mess with it, so I'm pretty proud of myself on that fact right there, that I didn't have to mess up any stickers. So now we can actually get to planning out the month. I don't really have a lot going on in the month of July, but I am going to put this flag full box down on the 4th. I'm going to put down another full box sticker on the 7th because that's my sister's birthday. And then I am going through my ScribblePrintsCo was looking for the one of the Scribble girls that had the firework that came from, I think it was the March kit, or the kit that had the carnival. I was saving one of those little girls with the firework sparklers for that. And I put that down on the 4th, and I am going to go and put down the day covers. Now that I have all the day covers down, I'm going to mark down my paydays, and I'm going to put one of the pretty pattern flags underneath the payday flag, just to kind of like oomph it up just a little bit. Like I said, I don't have much going on in the month of July, so I kind of want to amp up the page as much as I can. And I put down one of the pattern page flag, and then I put one of the little Post-it notes on top of it, and then I'm putting the Celeste with the birthday cake down to mark that it's my sister's birthday. And then I'm putting one of the appointment labels down from the kit, and to mark down my nail appointment days. And then I realized that I put down that page, that appointment box on the wrong week. It should be on the following week. I'm putting down a blue Post-it note with another scribbler with a birthday gift box to mark my friend Hazel's birthday. And then, since I don't have much going on, I decided to use the build-do stickers that came with the kit and mark down my bills. And that's when I realized I put the nail appointment down wrong, so I'm picking that up. Luckily it didn't tear or left any of the paper off, and I was able to switch it. And I'm just continuing to mark down my build-do stickers. And I'm just trying to see what else I can mark down, and I decide to go ahead and write down things in red since it's red, white, and blue. So there I am marking in my bill due, what bills are due. Some of them have already been paid ahead of time. And then I went ahead and decided to use the black ink Joy gel pen to write on the post-it notes and on the movie marquee, which you can see I left up because I realized I put it down crooked. So I wanted to fix that. And then I write down Spider-Man, which, by the way, the movie was fantastic. So if you get a chance to go see it, definitely I recommend you go see it because it was amazing. But then again, I am a Marvel girl, so I really love watching Marvel movies. And I finished marking in the bill dues and decided not really decided, but remembered I was missing one. So I go and I fix that, put that down, and then I decided that I didn't really want to mark my nail appointment in red. I just didn't think it went well with a sticker, so I went back to my black ink Joy gel pen, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. Take care of you. Happy planning, and bye.